Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use OpenTable for restaurants. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for OpenTable. If you have an account already, all you need to do is to sign in. If you don't have an account, just create an account using phone number or using email, whatever you want. And then after signing in, let's first explain what is OpenTable. OpenTable is platform for diners and restaurants to manage tables availability and bookings. It makes it easier for restaurants and for diners as well. So for restaurants, all you need to do is just press on for business here. Wait a moment for it until it loads up, and then you need to create an account here. Just press on get started. The power to book 2000 restoration in 50 seconds. Press on get started. And now you need to input your first name, last name, email address, and then press on next. And then it will ask you a few questions about your restaurants, your tables, the availability and everything. You need to input all the details and follow up all the instructions on the screen. And then after you finish, your OpenTable business account will be set up, and then you'll be having an interface for diners to book reservations into your restaurant, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.